Welcome student. In our physics class we are going to learn the topic hysteresis. In hysteresis, when a ferromagnetic material is kept in the magnetizing field, the material gets magnetized by induction. In here, the ferromagnetic characteristics is variation by not linear magnetizing field. For example, we take a ferromagnetic material. The material is slowly magnetized. At the time, the magnetic induction here, this is the magnetizing field, this is the intensity of the magnetization. When we increase the magnetizing field, the intensity increases in a particular point. Here, that point is saturation point. At a particular point, that not increase the intensity of the magnetization, that is a saturation point. The saturation point we call that maximum point. Now we reduce the magnetizing field. At the time, magnetic induction also decreases but does not reduce the original path. That path is CD. That is called retentivity. That retentivity is some magnetism is left in the specimen even though H value is 0. To demagnetize the material, the magnetizing field is increased in the reverse direction, that is DE. We call that is coercivity. This phenomenon of lagging of magnetic induction behind the magnetizing field is called hysteresis. During the magnetization, the specimen releases the heat that in the form of energy, and we measure the heat in joule. Based on the shape and size of the hysteresis loop, the ferromagnetic materials are classified into two types. One is soft magnetic material, another one is hard magnetic materials. The blue color image of soft magnetic material hysteresis loop. This is the hard magnetic material hysteresis loop. This table given the difference between the soft and hard ferromagnetic materials. And what is the application of hysteresis loop? That our application is permanent magnets and electromagnets and coil of the transformer. Permanent magnets means the material with high retentivity, high coercivity and high permeability are suitable for making permanent magnets. For example, steel and alnico. Next, electromagnets. The material with high initial permeability, low retentivity and low coercivity and thin hysteresis loop with smaller area to make the electromagnets. And core of the transformer. The material with high initial permeability, large magnetic induction and thin hysteresis loop with smaller area that needed to design the transformer core. For example, soft iron.